So we got a combination of sausage breakfasts here. So this is Johnsonville sausage, some eggs, some hash browns that are those mini hash browns from Orida, a little bit of onion ring, which I burnt a little. So that's what's in these options here. I have ground up everything and I'm going to make a wrap out of this. A little butter on the base of it. And that's this guy here as well. Oh man, that's huge. That's a breakfast sandwich right there. And this one would be the more traditional sausage wrap. Oh boy, I've done it again. Can't eat this till tomorrow. So this would be the barbecue version. And this is just the good old-fashioned breakfast version.